How to fix Facebook login code problem. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just follow this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone, then open apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook now, open it like this and scroll down, click on storage. Click now on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop, click OK. And what you should do now, you have to go and open your Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated. After this, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another video.